2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, security alarm, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, cargo net, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.